Hello, 8th grade. Today we're going to be working on expanding and solving both positive and negative exponents. We touched on this a little bit yesterday, but now we're going to be working on it more. For this first problem, we are expanding and solving 6 to the negative third power. So our base is 6 and our exponent is negative 3. I know that when we have a negative exponent, it means we need to do the opposite of multiplication. The opposite of multiplication is division, and I can write division as a fraction. So instead of 6, I can write 1 over 6. I need to expand this 3 times because my exponent is negative 3, so it's going to be 1 over 6 times 1 over 6 times 1 over 6. Now that I have it in an expanded form, I need to solve it. Because it's just multiplying fractions, I can solve it by multiplying across the top and multiplying across the bottom. 1 times 1 times 1 is just 1. And then go ahead and use a calculator to multiply the bottom. 6 times 6 times 6. If you don't have a calculator, you can just Google calculator and use that. And I'll end up with 1 over 216. This next problem is expanding and solving as well, except this time my exponent 4 is positive and my base negative 8 is negative. So because my exponent is positive, I know I'm still doing multiplication, and since there are parentheses, I know that the negative is included in my base. So when I expand it out, it's going to be negative 8 expanded 4 times because my exponent is 4. So it's negative 8 times negative 8 times negative 8 times negative 8. And once again, you can use a calculator to help you solve this problem. So you do 8 times 8 times 8. Negative 8 times negative 8 times negative 8 times negative 8 on your calculator, and you'll end up with positive 4,096. This next one we're expanding and solving. Our base is 4 and our exponent is negative 5. So first you're going to think to yourself, when I expand this, am I going to be writing 4 as a whole number or as a fraction? Because our exponent is negative, that means that we will be writing 4 as a fraction, so instead it will be 1/4. And we will expand 1/4 5 times. Now because it's multiplying fractions, we're going to multiply across the top and across the bottom. So our numerator will be 1, because 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 is just 1. And then we're going to multiply all of our 4's on the bottom to find our denominator. Go ahead and plug that into your calculator to solve it. You'll end up with a denominator of 1,024. Our last problem is the simplest problem. We're just solving 7 to the third power. So we have a positive base and we have a positive exponent. So we are just expanding 7, multiplying it by itself 3 times. Once again, go ahead, plug it into your calculator, and figure out what your answer will be. You got it. It will be 343. Go ahead and finish the front page of the worksheet independently. Do not go on to the guided practice on the back.